Hey guys, so I just decided to go into my paypal.me to grab the link, and I was going to post it with one of my videos to go along with my video about needing to get a building for my business. And I checked it and I had $200 in there. So I have no idea who deposited it there, but thank you very much. I very, very much so appreciate it. And I just wanted to do a quick video and give you guys my paypal.me link so that if you're not interested in transferring money on GoFundMe, you can transfer money on paypal.me if you're interested in that. So my link is, I'm just going to stop this video for a second and I'm going to film a video on my phone because I have it written out in a note. Alright, so here's the note. My paypal.me is paypal.me/CaylaWood, capital Cayla, capital WOOD. So that's my paypal.me if you're interested in donating money through there instead of GoFundMe. And I'm going to post this link below my video about my GoFundMe so that you guys have the option of which one you want to use. But whoever donated that $200 to me, thank you so much, because I am literally like pretty much completely broke right now because we just took my son to an event today for his birthday and I bought him something that he really wanted, and it made me pretty much completely broke. But I had to do that because it was for my son and it was for his birthday. So thank you very much to whoever deposited $200 to my paypal.me.